Hey guys, this is Shidori, and this is Underground Station V.4, the one I was talking about a little earlier. And it's like another spot I used to get with the moonjump on like the local player or whatever. And me and G-Dogs did a way on how to get under here without it. But kind of exploring a little bit. So I know you can go on that little pole, but it's kind of risky because it looks like I think you're past the death point. Yeah. See how the camera's kind of weird at an angle. Alright. But you already know what I did, but it's harder than you think. But see if you can figure it out, because we use like kind of like a different way. But anyways, I guess Underground Station V4 was found by G-Dogs, 4122, and Chidori. But I'll see you guys next time.